it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So I finally got my brown sugar box, the Izzy and Liv brown sugar box in for January 2025. We're going to get right into unboxing this box. If you're not familiar, this is a Black lifestyle box. Every month this box does come with a theme. The box costs $42 plus $8.95 for shipping and handling. And we're going to see what came in this box and what I thought about what we received this month. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and get right into this box right here. Oh, by the way, I do love the artwork on the front of this box. I think it's very cute, and I think they do a phenomenal job with the artwork for everything that they kind of do. They do a very good job with the artwork. So let's see what we got. Okay, so this is the sneak peek of what's in my box. And let me find our little monthly magazine and we'll kick right off on what we have here. Hold on. Alright, so here's our magazine, guys. We got our beauties of the month on the back. This month our theme is We Are the Blueprint Edition. So the box value is supposed to be $163. So the young lady on the front is Kiki. And Kiki is all about uplifting her community or stepping boldly into her purpose. Kiki is the reminder we all need. Black women are the foundation, the innovators, and the powerhouse the world follows. Oh, I love that. This month's Kiki's unstoppable energy to you is own your own power, set the trends, lead with purpose, and elevate the presence and shine bright. So that's just a quick overview of what Kiki about. So that's what our girlfriend for the month is. So let's kick this off and find out what we got in this month's box. So again, the theme was We Are the Blueprint Edition. So the first thing I have on top, we have a hat. So let me take this out of here so I can show you guys our hat. And look, they did good. They sent me purple. They sent me my favorite color. So on the front of the hat, it says 1 of 1. I'm not sure what that is about, but okay. 1 of 1. Let's see what they said. Okay, so you could have received 1 and 4 with the hat colors here. So we have purple, looks like a blue, a pink, and it looks like a white or off-white. So this is a suede hat with a satin lining in it. This is valued at $36. They do got like a form fitter in here. Let me just take that out. And let me put this on. Now I typically don't wear hats because my head big. But it looked like the hat does fit nice. It is satin lined on the inside, which is a plus. Got 1 of 1. But yeah, it says protect your crown in style with these luxe suede caps embroidered with empowering phrases. Each hat features a satin lining to keep your hair looking flawless. Available in rich colors with these caps combine functionality, fashion, and effortlessness. So there's perfection is one of the titles on the hat. Priceless, 1 of 1, or flawless. So I have 1 of 1 on my hat. So again, this is valued at $35. I think that's a bit much, just my opinion. So this is the satin lining that's inside the hat, which is great. So it keeps your hair from being pulled out and everything. So I do like that. And 1 of 1. So let's go on to the next thing here in my box. So the next item I have, looks like we got some sort of water bottle here. And this says, stay hydrated, canteen. There was 1 of 4 that you could have received. So 1 of 4 different colors. And this is valued at $30. I'm not going to lie, I don't think this worth $30. It's different. Like, I would say for me, I could only make use of this is when I'm actually, like when the weather warms up, I like to go down to like the trail and do the trail, and I don't like to carry anything. So I do like that this does have a strap and you can put it around your neck and I can be a bit free and I don't have to worry about holding a water bottle, which is great. But if you know, go to the gym and everything, I mean, it will come in handy. I'm just $30, I guess I just don't see that for this. That's just my opinion. But 1 of 4, they all look like they almost the same colors because they're so light on here. Looks like a light green, a pink. I don't know if this is a red and a blue. But anyway, it says hydration meets motivation with this stylish canteen. Each design features inspiring phrases. I am a prototype. We are the blueprint, reminding you your own unique path. Double wall for hot and cold drinks. Oh, that's good. That's good. I didn't think for the hot drinks you could even use this, so I like that. And it's your ultimate accessory for staying refreshed while making moves. So again, I mean, it's all plastic. I don't know about the hot stuff. What y'all think about putting hot stuff in here? I don't know. It's too much. I don't know. Too much plastic. I wouldn't know if that's safe. But yeah, 1 of 1 is what I have on mine. So yeah, let's go to the next one. But $30, I don't see $30. If this was all glass, like a glass one, I probably would go for the $30. But with the plastic, and I don't know about that. And it does have the little, it has this thing here. It should be pretty easy to open, but I don't know. Anywho, let's go to the next thing. Next thing we have, is this a scarf blanket? What is this? Rip it open. Oh, it looks like we got a scarf, guys. So this is a scarf that I received. This says it's a 27 by 70 inch scarf. They had 1 of 4 prints. This is valued at $25, and I do like the little things here. Now I don't have anything orange. I guess that's the only problem. I do like the artwork. It's like a lady on here with earrings and then all these flowers, and she wearing a flowery looking shirt. It does feel nice. It's a nice feeling scarf. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything. I would say it doesn't feel flimsy. It has a little bit of thickness to it, so I should wear it, or kind of tie it up and put it under your coat. That would work. So guys, the information we have here says this again is valued at $35 for this scarf. These vibrant imitation cashmere scarves features a bold illustration celebrating style and culture. Whether you wrap it, tie it, drape it, it's versatile and it adds a bit of elegance to any outfit. Each print is in a wearable work. So yeah, I would say it does feel nice. Like I could see you could drape it over your shoulders and all of that. Be like the old lady in church. Would it like this? Yeah, I probably wouldn't wear it like this unless I'm in the house. Or you can pull it over your head. Here you go. You could wrap yourself up really nice if you needed to. Okay. So yeah. I think this is nice. This is nice. $35. You know I'm not gonna go with you on this $35 with the cost. Yeah, let's go to the next thing. So we got the Year of the Glow Up workbook. So this is different. This they're pricing at $18. And it says, turn your dreams into reality with this goal setting planner workbook. The workbook is your tool to stay motivated and organized throughout the year. Let it guide you as you set your intentions and crush your goals. So let's take a peek in here, gang. So like this is the first part of it. So do a brain dump. Yeah, if you use your brain all day like me, you probably do need to do a brain dump because there's a lot of stuff floating around at the end of the day. So I do like that. And what is else we got? Oh, what I want to be, what I want to do. So you got a place to kind of set your intentions, as they say, and kind of think about some things that may be on your mind, what your mission is, your strengths, your weaknesses. It says what I want to have. There's a section here for reflection. I think this is really nice. This one here, 7 areas of life. There's also a scale that assess how satisfied you are with like your friends and family, and this is different. I like this, actually. This is really cute. So guys, like, what do you think about this? I think this is so cool to do like this goal setting workbook. I think I like it. I really like this. They should have made this like have a spiral notebook so you could kind of flip it, but even with the staples in it, you still can flip it around and stuff like that. But yeah, I like this. I think this is cute. Now again, $18. Maybe I would have gave it a little bit less of a price. Maybe that's all I can say to you. I'd have probably gave it a little bit less of a price. We got our last item of the box, guys. We have our shirt, so let's go ahead and show you that. So this is our shirt, which looks like it's a sweatshirt, which is great. I like sweatshirts. I have a large, and let me take it out. So this is our sweatshirt of the month, gang. What do you guys think? I like the blue. It's kind of springy feeling. I'm tired of all this winter weather. So I think this is cute. We are the blueprint. Power in our voice. Crown of resilience. Heart and soul. Trendsetters. Queen of cultures. I think that is cute. I like that. Our sweatshirt is valued at $45. Oh, by the way, this is a lightweight sweatshirt, guys, so it's not like it's a super heavy one. It's a lightweight one, which I actually like, because sometimes those thick ones is just a bit too much for me and I get super hot. But yeah, this is a nice lightweight one. I do like that. So the information we have, it says, from the style we create to the dreams we manifest, Black women have always been the foundation for greatness. More than a wardrobe staple, it's a statement of pride featuring bold typography, graphic details, and designed to remind the world who sets the tone. So again, this is valued at $45. So again, the theme of the month is we are the blueprint. I would say not all of the items in our box kind of go with the theme for me. I don't know. Like, we're the blueprint. I think the cat, which we have here, and I'll wear it just for purposes. I think the cat. I think this glow up is good. Book is good. And the sweatshirt, I think, go together. I'm not exactly certain about the scarf. The scarf just does not seem to come into the theme. What do you guys think? Like, does it feel right to you? Like this, the scarf and the canteen don't seem to come into the theme for me. I think that's a bit off. Like, I don't know. I feel like even if they did like how our chick looks on the front, like a hat, maybe the earrings might have been a good one to put with this one. Some sort of bracelet or something, or like, I don't know, maybe like a mug or something, I think would have been better to pull off the theme. I don't know, we are the blueprint. I just feel like the theme is slacking a little bit here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about the theme for the month and how everything kind of came together. But I feel like we didn't quite hit the mark. That's all I'm saying. Like, in terms of the theme, I don't feel like we all the way there with the theme. That's all I'm saying. The cap, the shirt, and the canteen and this scarf just really feels out of place with this theme to me. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. But yeah, let me know what you think about the theme. I just think it's not all the way there. As you guys know, I think some of the prices be a little bit inflated. I do like the items, but I'm just saying, I just would like the prices to be a little teeny bit more realistic. I don't feel like this was a $163 value box. this month. Like, to me, I don't get that vibe. I think the items are nice. Like, I like the sweatshirt, but again, I still probably wouldn't pay $45 for a sweatshirt. Like, this is a lightweight sweatshirt. I would say you probably should drop the price maybe by 10. You might be about right. The scarf here, again, is valued at $35. I think it does have a nice texture to it. It does feel nice. Not $35 nice. That's what I'm saying. The canteen is made of plastic, so to me, it loses points right away for being $30 value. Like, I like the idea of it, and I think it's cute and useful as the summer warms up and we kind of go out and start being out of the house. I think it's great. I just don't think it's $30 worth. And the hat also was priced at like $35. And yeah, I just felt like the products are being a little bit overvalued. Not to say I don't like them, I just think they're overvalued, and I think they're a bit off on the theme this month. Especially, this is the box we had to wait for because it was late, because it got caught up. So 2 of the items got caught up in customs. So that's all I'm saying. But yeah, this is my box, guys, for January 2025. I guess the next box will be coming shortly because this one was late. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about the products we received and what you thought about the theme of the month. And if you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.